Hi, today I'm going to review this Regalis Acne Pads. This is a chemical exfoliant based acne pads and it contains 2% salicylic acid and 1% AHA in the form of glycolic acid. Salicylic acid is oil soluble, which means it can penetrate really deeply into your pores and clear all the impurities and dirt. Multiple clinical trials have shown that salicylic acid, when used in the concentration of 0.5% to 2% regularly, it can help in reducing acne to a significant degree. Contrary to the popular belief that salicylic acid increases sun sensitivity, unlike other chemical exfoliants, salicylic acid actually has photoprotective properties. Glycolic acid, on the other hand, helps in removing the dead skin cells, improving the skin texture, and also in reducing the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or the acne marks. Glycolic acid is also water soluble, which means it works best on the bare and clean face. If you're using oil cleansing method, it is better to wipe away all the oil and wash your face before applying any kind of glycolic acid product, and also not to apply any oil-based products before applying glycolic acid products, as excessive oil can really inhibit AHA's effectiveness. While using glycolic acid, it is also very important to use sunscreen every single day, as glycolic acid tends to increase skin's photosensitivity. This product looks really promising, as it contains 2% salicylic acid as well as 1% glycolic acid. But what I don't like about this product is that it doesn't mention the complete ingredients list, but rather only provides the active ingredients and their concentration. And because of this, you cannot figure out any potential irritants, if any, in this product. On application, there's a very strong cooling sensation, probably because of the presence of menthol. It also has a very strong fragrance, which can be problematic for some people. My skin personally is very sensitive, but the fragrance in this product did not irritate my skin. Certain skincare ingredients like salicylic and glycolic acid work best on a certain pH. This is called pH dependency. Because AHAs and BHAs are pH dependent ingredients, the order in which you use these products in your skincare routine is also very important. AHAs and BHAs both work best between the pH of 3 to 4. So if you use a product with a very high pH, say before or right before or right after using this product, it can highly reduce the effectiveness of this product. Ideally, AHAs and BHAs both should be applied on bare skin, that is right after washing your face. And if you want to layer your skincare products, then you should wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes and then apply your toner or serum or whatever product you want to layer. If you're a beginner and have never used any chemical exfoliant or any active ingredient, then you can also start by using this on alternate days. For the effectiveness, I think it helps in the faster healing of already existing acne bumps, but this does not help in preventing them from reoccurring, and also this will not help at all with your hormonal acne. And also, if you're having any major breakout, then I would not suggest this one, because I think it will only help when you have like 3 to 4 acnes on your face. Honestly, I'm not going to repurchase this because there are better products in the market that work faster and better than this.